Good morning guys, Mr. AJ Focus. I'm back with another episode today. I've had to redo the opening to this video because I'm still sounding a bit ill now. I'm still a bit ill, but when I made the opening originally, you couldn't really hear what I was saying because I sounded so terrible after the New Year. It was the day after my hangover, and then I still sounded absolute crap, and I'm totally ill, so I had to redo it again because, like I said, you couldn't understand a word I was saying. So I had to redo the opening to this video. It is the window tint install day, and you can probably tell that they've been done already, and I'm over the moon with them getting done. Can I just say also a huge shout out to the company South Coast Tints in Hampshire for getting me in as quickly as he did, because they were booked in to get done before Christmas, but because it was a present from my family, I had to ring him up and change it to after New Year, and he squeezed me in at the last minute, and I really do thank him for getting me in like he did. And yeah, I'm chuffed with him, guys. I love him. And the guy who did it by himself, there's only one guy who did it by himself, because everyone else is still obviously on their holidays, so it's like a few days after into New Year. And the guy who did it, he done a fantastic job. I absolutely love it. I mean, it looks like factory. He actually took his time. You can see the passion and the quality of the work that went into it. The film itself as well is good quality film, and yeah, I'm over the moon with it, guys. He done such a fantastic job, and yeah, I love it. Even the guy was like, the color of your car, there's certain colors with on cars, he says, these sort of window tints look very nice, especially on the blue with yours. And when I looked at it, I was like, it looks slightly longer now. It looks slightly like it's squatted down a bit more, and yeah, I'm over the moon with it. So I'd like to give them a big massive shout out. Thank you guys, thank you very much for getting me in, and thank you for doing them for me, because yeah, that's something I really want to get done for a while. As you know, the exterior of the car does need enhancing, so that's what I'm going to be focused on a little bit this year. Don't worry though, guys, I will be doing the rest of the car, like suspension and exciting hands-on, but because it is winter and it's cold, I don't really want to be out there bashing my hands against things, suspension work or whatever. Also, guys, I apologise in advance why this video is really short. Now I will explain it. It's because the guy who'd done the tint, I didn't let him know, or I didn't let the guy know who I booked it in with, that I do YouTube, that I do video and pictures, whatever. I totally forgot about letting them know that I was going to come in video. And I got there and I said, would you mind if I take pictures and videos? I'll do it for YouTube. And the guy was like, he's okay with it, he's fine with it, but he didn't want to give away too much, because it's obviously like trick of the trade and things like that, and they obviously doesn't want me to show too much, if you get what I mean. So I apologise, this is why the video is really short. And also, not everyone wants a camera in their face. I understand that, because it is terrifying being in front of a camera, being in front of millions and billions of people around the world, because this is obviously, it goes out all around the world, these videos, don't it? And yeah, not everyone wants a camera in their face, and I totally respect that. I totally respect what he was saying, and this is why the video is really short. So the video might jump from him cutting to preparing the wrap to installing quickly, and then it might jump to just the finishing product. But don't worry though, guys, because I will later on down the line do a complete walk around of the car, like I always do mid-season, and just point out new bits that have been added. But yeah, it won't be done just yet, guys, because I want to get most of the car sort of complete, and then I'll do a massive walk around. So that's it then, guys. I've redone the opening to this. Just sit back and enjoy this really quick episode on getting the window tints done on my ST. Now, to some of you might think, oh, it's just window tints, blah blah blah, I've got them on my car, blah blah, nothing special. But to me it is, it's my personal choice. It's something I wanted to get done for a while. It's also privacy now, because where I don't have no interior in the back, you can see right in before. Now I went for a really dark shade. Perfect, I absolutely love it. I'm over the moon with it, I really am. So anyway, guys, let's just get into the video, shall we? See you guys on the next video. Remember, subscribe and like, follow me on Instagram. I'm on Facebook, don't forget that, guys, I'm still on Facebook. And see you guys in the next video. Please enjoy. And again, a massive shout out and thank you to South Coast Tints for getting me in when they did. Thank you guys. See you soon. Guys, I'm now at South Coast Tints. The guy has just prepped the car. He's going to allow me to video, but not too much, so I don't want to get in his way. But yeah, I will try and video as much as I can as he's going through it. But yeah, she's in there looking all pretty. I'm excited for this. I've gone for a really dark tint. So what that is, that's pre-cut already, so he's just going to trace around that and then install it in the car. Right, so he's prepared that now, that's ready to go on the car, and he just cleaned up the back window. That's probably the cleanest it's ever been. That's the side window.